Hi guys, this is just a quick video to give you a look at our newest NCS weekly report, okay, the weekly NCS weekly hours. So when you go into reports, you click on NCS, obviously you have these reports available to you, but this one over here on the far right, the NCS weekly hours, is the newest report available to yourselves, okay, and it's very, very good. We've built this with the Hive report in mind, okay, and we've tried to replicate it as best we could. And what you will see when you go down here, obviously it will bring you directly to the week that you're on. But you can click in and go on to any week that you're looking for. You can select the room, the child, the type of child, the year that you're looking for. And what will happen is it will bring up the below report for you. Okay. Straight away, what you will see is the child's name, their chick number will be in here, the date of birth for the child will be in here, and the NCS hours claimed for, which is 25 in this case, will be shown to you here. ECC hours attended will display here. So in this case, it's 14. The reason that this is saying 14 rather than the 15 hours it should be, which is because it's normally either 9 till 12 or half 9 till half 12, is because you can see here on the Tuesday that the child only came in at 10:05. Okay, so the child was an hour late, and that's why it's displaying 14 rather than the 15. You can see the non ECC hours attended, which is 32 in this case. And basically, what that is the system will calculate any time either before 9 a.m. and any time after 12 p.m. Or if you're half 9 to half 12, it will calculate any time before half 9 and any time after half 12. Depends on your setting. Okay, but that's your non ECC hours, which are essentially your NCS hours. You can then see your weekly attendance total, which in this case is 46. Okay, and if there's any alerts, you'll obviously see the number of alerts there. But basically, what our system already does, as you've seen in the other videos, is it will alert you. We check back 8 weeks, and if the child has been under attending, it will alert you every 6 weeks of a child under attending. So if a child is either absent for 3 consecutive weeks or under attending for 6 consecutive weeks, you will be alerted to let you know within 6 weeks, which gives you 2 weeks to get in touch with the parents and obviously say, listen, you need to either start bringing the child in on time or bringing the child in full stop, or we need to look at maybe dropping your hours that you're claiming for. That's a conversation you can have with the parents. Over here, what you can see then is we've got the time in and out, 9 to 12, 10:05 to 12, 9 to 12, 9 to 12, and 9 to 12 for the full week. You can see the initials here of the person who marked the child in or out, which in this case is myself, Robbie Carey, manager, as you can see up the top here. So it displays everything that you need, okay? Obviously, it's showing you the ECC hours, which was 9 to 12. And then after that time, it will display 12 till 6 p.m. down here for the non ECC hours. Okay. Rounds it up as well because you had 10 minutes there before 9 a.m. when the child came in. You're going to get the 10 hours rather than the 9 hours. If I scroll over to the far right hand side, you're seeing all the previous weeks for this child's attendance. Okay. And it clearly lays out whether or not a child was under attending, and it will tell you how many hours the child is under attended for. Or if a child was absent, it will display absent, or if a child was present, it will say present, which means the child has reached their claimed hours. Okay, so everything that you need is available to you in this report, including even the ECC hours if needs be. Okay, but it's important to point out that for this information over here on the right, okay, all of these previous weeks for over and under attending, the system will calculate these hours over the weekend. So for example, if I was to go in to try and check midweek to see if a child was under or over attending, it won't tell me because you need to wait till it calculates it over the weekend. And when I come in on the Monday morning, then all this information will be available to me. Now, as always, if I've left anything out, or if you want any more information, or if you'd like a quick demonstration of this and everything else involved with the NCS, please feel free to drop us an email through the info@childpaths.ie, and one of our team will get back in touch with you straight away to answer your queries or book you in for a quick demonstration. Thanks for your time. Bye bye.